In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ExpressVPN to your router. Running ExpressVPN directly on your router is one of the easiest ways to protect your whole home network at once. Instead of installing the VPN on every laptop, phone, smart TV, or game console individually, your router handles the connection for everything connected to it. That gives you broader coverage and can also save device slots on your subscription. To get started, open your web browser and go to the ExpressVPN sign-in page. Sign into your account, complete the verification step if prompted, and once you reach the dashboard, open the section for setting up other devices. From there, choose Router. At this point, the process splits depending on your hardware. If your router supports ExpressVPN's custom router firmware, select your exact router model, download the firmware file, and copy the activation code shown on the page. Keep both handy because you'll need them during setup. If your router does not support the custom firmware, scroll to Manual Configuration, choose the OpenVPN option, copy the provided username and password, and download the OpenVPN configuration file for the country you want to connect through. If you're using the custom firmware route, connect your computer to the router with an Ethernet cable if possible. That helps keep the connection stable during the update. Open your router's admin page in a browser, usually by entering its local IP address, and sign in with your router admin login. Then find the firmware upgrade or router update section. Select the ExpressVPN firmware file you downloaded and upload it. While the router is flashing the firmware, do not unplug it or turn it off. Once the router reboots, open a new browser tab and go to the ExpressVPN router setup page, then click Get Started. When prompted, paste in your activation code and sign in so the router can link to your account. If you're using manual configuration instead, sign into your router's admin portal, open the VPN client or VPN settings area, and add a new VPN profile. Set the connection type to OpenVPN, enter the manual configuration username and password you copied earlier, import the OpenVPN file you downloaded, save the profile, and then activate the connection. If you installed the custom firmware, you can also manage device groups. Sign in to the ExpressVPN router dashboard, create a group, give it a name, choose a server location for that group, and drag compatible devices into it. This lets different devices use different routing behavior from the same router. Finally, test everything. On a device connected to the router, open a private browsing window and visit the ExpressVPN IP check page. Confirm that the visible IP address and location match the VPN location you selected, and make sure websites load normally without DNS or connection errors. Once that checks out, your